What if I told you that one small mistake after 50 is silently stealing your muscle strength every single day, even if you eat healthy? Most seniors never realize this until walking, standing, or climbing stairs becomes a struggle. The real solution is not medicine or supplements. It's hidden in simple seeds. Watch till the end to protect your strength. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. Seniors, if you feel like your body is changing and your strength is slipping away, I want you to listen closely. This is something most people won't tell you. You might notice that the stairs feel steeper lately, or simply getting out of bed feels like a struggle. Many people quietly notice small changes first. The legs feel heavier when climbing stairs. Standing up from a chair takes more effort. Carrying grocery bags feels harder than before. You try to eat healthy, maybe you have an apple every day, but your muscles still feel weak. Here is the truth that surprises everyone. An apple is great, but it cannot build the muscle you need after 50. In fact, there are tiny seeds that have 10 times more muscle-building protein than that apple. I have seen so many people waste money on expensive supplements and powders that do nothing. But the secret to staying strong and independent isn't in a pharmacy. It's in nature. In this video, I am going to show you 3 specific seeds that are absolutely vital to keep your muscles from wasting away. If you want to keep your mobility and your freedom, you cannot afford to skip. Let's start with the first one that protects your bones and muscles at the same time. Number 3, flax seeds. Flax seeds are small, but they are packed with nutrients that help support muscles from the inside. Flax seeds are rich in a plant-based omega-3 fat called ALA, which plays a key role in helping the body slow down muscle breakdown. As we grow older, the body naturally loses muscle faster than it can rebuild it. This is one of the main reasons seniors feel weaker over time. The healthy fats in flax seeds help support the muscles by reducing stress inside the body that can damage muscle tissue. When muscles are protected, they are better able to stay firm and active. Flax seeds also support the bones that hold your muscles in place. Strong bones are important because weak bones make it harder for muscles to function properly. Another benefit of flax seeds is that they help the body use protein more effectively. Even if you eat protein, your body may not always use it well after 50. Flax seeds help improve how nutrients are absorbed and used, which is very important for seniors. They are also gentle on digestion when used correctly, making them suitable for regular use. Adding flax seeds to your routine does not mean instant strength, but over time, they help support muscle balance, better movement, and steadier energy. This is why flax seeds are a smart starting point for anyone who wants to stay active, stable, and independent as the years go by. Number 2, hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are often called muscle powerhouses, and for seniors over 50, there is a very good reason for this. As we age, one of the biggest challenges the body faces is repairing muscle after daily use. Even simple activities like walking, standing, or lifting light objects can cause small muscle wear. When we were younger, the body repaired this quickly, but after 50, this process slows down. Hemp seeds help support this repair process in a natural and gentle way. What makes hemp seeds special is that they contain complete protein, which means they provide all the essential amino acids the body needs to maintain muscle tissue. Many plant foods lack one or more of these building blocks, but hemp seeds offer a balanced profile that the aging body can actually use. This is important because muscles cannot maintain their strength without the right amino acids working together. Hemp seeds also contain healthy fats that help support joints and reduce stiffness, which indirectly helps muscles move more freely. When joints feel stiff or inflamed, muscles tend to weaken because movement becomes limited. By supporting smoother movement, hemp seeds help seniors stay more active, which is key to preserving muscle strength over time. Another important benefit is how hemp seeds support recovery. After 50, muscles may feel sore for longer periods after normal activity. The nutrients in hemp seeds help the body calm internal stress, allowing muscles to relax and recover more comfortably. This does not mean instant results, but with regular use, many seniors notice they feel less tight and more stable during daily movement. Hemp seeds are also easy to digest and gentle on the stomach when used in proper amounts, making them suitable for older adults who may have sensitive digestion. They can be added to meals without overwhelming the body, which is important because consistency matters more than quantity. When seniors support their muscles day after day with the right nutrients, they are more likely to maintain balance, posture, and confidence in movement. Hemp seeds do not promise sudden strength, but they help create the right conditions for muscles to stay active and supported as the years go on. This makes them a powerful second step for anyone who wants to protect muscle health naturally after 50. Number 1. Quinoa. Quinoa may look like a simple grain, but it is actually a seed, and for seniors over 50, it plays a very important role in supporting muscle health. As the body ages, it becomes harder to keep muscle strong, even when you are eating regularly. This is because muscles need specific building blocks to stay firm and active, and many common foods no longer provide enough of them. Quinoa stands out because it contains complete protein, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs to maintain and repair muscle tissue. These amino acids work together like a team, and when even one is missing, muscle support becomes weaker. For older adults, this balance is especially important because the body is less efficient at storing and reusing protein. Quinoa helps fill that gap by offering a clean and plant-based source of protein that the body can recognize and use more easily. Another key benefit of quinoa is that it supports steady energy, which is closely linked to muscle strength. When energy levels drop, muscles fatigue faster, making daily activities feel harder than they should. Quinoa provides slow and steady fuel, helping seniors feel more stable during walking, standing, and light activity. It also supports muscle coordination, which helps reduce the risk of unsteady movement. In addition, quinoa contains natural minerals that support muscle function and communication between muscles and nerves. This is important because weak muscle signals can lead to slower reactions and poor balance. Quinoa is also gentle on digestion when prepared properly, making it suitable for seniors who may struggle with heavy or processed foods. It does not overload the body but instead provides steady nourishment over time. While quinoa will not rebuild muscle overnight, regular use helps create a supportive environment where muscles can maintain their strength and structure. Many seniors notice that with consistent inclusion of quinoa in their meals, their body feels more stable and less fragile. This is why quinoa earns the top spot among these seeds for muscle support after 50. It works quietly in the background, helping the body stay strong, balanced, and capable as the years move forward. When we look at all 3 of these powerful seeds together, a clear picture begins to form about how muscle health can be supported after 50 in a natural and realistic way. Flax seeds, hemp seeds, and quinoa each play a different role, but when used consistently, they work as a team to help the body stay strong, steady, and mobile. Flax seeds help protect muscles by supporting the body's internal balance and reducing the slow breakdown that happens with age. Hemp seeds support muscle repair and daily recovery, helping muscles stay active without feeling stiff or weak. Quinoa provides the complete protein and steady energy that muscles need to maintain their structure and function over time. None of these foods act like a quick fix, and that is actually a good thing. The body responds best to gentle, long-term support rather than sudden changes. When seniors give their body the right nutrients day after day, muscles are better able to hold their strength, support joints, and help with balance and posture. This can make everyday tasks like walking, standing, or lifting feel more manageable and less tiring. Another important point is how these foods support independence. Strong muscles help seniors stay confident in their movement, reducing fear of weakness or instability. They also support better coordination, which is important for preventing falls and maintaining quality of life. Using these seeds does not mean changing your entire lifestyle. Small, regular additions to meals can make a meaningful difference over time. Listening to your body and being consistent is far more important than doing too much at once. Before we end, it is important to remember that everyone's body is different, especially as we age. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have health conditions or concerns, always speak with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet. With the right knowledge and mindful choices, it is possible to support your muscles naturally and protect your strength as you grow older. If this information helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more simple and reliable health tips designed especially for seniors.